In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel a Hostinger subscription if you no longer need a hosting plan or you simply want to stop future charges. Hostinger makes it fairly simple to turn off renewal and cancel the subscription from your account settings. I'll walk you through the process in a clear and easy way so you can follow along without confusion. To begin, open your Hostinger account and sign in. Make sure you're logged into the correct account, especially if you manage more than one hosting plan or service. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a moment to look at the main menu and your account area, so you know where everything is located. Next, click on your profile. This is usually where account-related settings, payment details, and subscription options are organized. Opening your profile is the first step toward reaching the billing section where your active services are listed. From there, click Billing. This area contains the financial side of your account, including invoices, payment methods, and subscription management. If you're trying to stop a renewal before the next billing cycle, this is the section you need. Once you're in Billing, look under Subscriptions and locate the plan you want to cancel. Be careful here to choose the correct one, especially if you have multiple services active at the same time. It's a good idea to quickly review the name of the plan so you don't accidentally make changes to the wrong subscription. After you find the subscription, toggle off Auto Renewal. This is the key action that stops the plan from renewing automatically in the future. In many cases, turning off auto-renewal means your service will remain active until the end of the current billing period, but it will not charge you again after that. Then, click Cancel Subscription to confirm the cancellation. Read any on-screen message carefully, since Hostinger may show you a confirmation prompt or provide details about what happens after cancellation. Once confirmed, your subscription should be marked as cancelled or set not to renew. That's all you need to do. Open your Hostinger account, go to your profile, click Billing, find the subscription you want to cancel. Switch off auto renewal and confirm by clicking Cancel Subscription. If possible, I also recommend checking for a confirmation message or email after completing the process, just to make sure the cancellation was successfully registered. And that's how to cancel a Hostinger subscription.